all mammals are having, like they are lean at 4 legs and their brain is not here, their brain is here. So in that position, Neanderthal was like this. It means his brain was not completely shifted over here. His brain was gradually shifting like this. His jaw was little bigger. नीचे का जो जबड़ा था बड़ा था. His, carnivores has canine teeth. लंबे दांत, एक दांत लंबा होता है. So he had canines. He was omnivorous. He was consuming flesh as well as vegetables. So Neanderthal, but Neanderthal had complete body of a Neanderthal man was covered with hairs. पूरा शरीर पे बाल थे. So it was, and he had a tail also. Gradually with time, tail disappeared. Cro-Magnon had no tail. Same, we had some similar to Neanderthal. We had the Pekin man, which found in China near Beijing, and also we have fossils of Java man. There is in India, in Shivalik, in foothill of Shivalik, that is called Ramapithecus. You should know which oldest fossil found in India is known as Ramapithecus. They said all they are the present day man. Ramapithecus. So Australopithecus, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, and Homo sapiens. So present day man is the. Just one more I want to add. When hominoids separated, there was 4 different. This is one animal, no change. Another, no change. Third, one more, जब से इंसान, when the man get down from hominoid to the present day man, he registered so many changes in his body. Hairs disappeared, tail disappeared, बड़े वाले दांत बीच में, all our teeth are at equal height. We don't have the canines. एक बड़ा दांत नहीं है किसी को फाड़ने के लिए, चीरने के लिए. So all teeth are at same level. Our jaw size entered, mouth became flat. We started standing on 2 legs, no other mammal. So we have registered so many changes from getting Homo habilis to hominoid to the Homo sapien, present day man. But there are the 4 different. ये इनमें भी almost वही DNA है. They are hominoid में जो DNA था, it is same DNA, but they could not register any change since 18 million century, 18 million years. Who are these 4? You must be knowing chimpanzee, Equatorial Africa. You must be knowing gorilla. This is Equatorial Africa plus South America. Then you must be knowing orangutan. देखा है? Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia. In Malaysia, Indonesia, Kalimantan, even Myanmar, all these Southeast Asian regions. Thailand, orangutan, and one must be knowing gibbons. Where they found? Where is the habitat of gibbon? Few gibbons are left. And in India, in Assam, Northeast, Arunachal and Myanmar, only Purvanchal and Eastern Himalaya is the last habitat of gibbons. You can say Northeast. Northeast means Assam, Arunachal and Myanmar. So this is how man evolved. I simply wanted to share the brain size. Homo, just let me write down the brain size in cc, cubic centimeter. We used to measure the brain size in cc. So they had approximately 500 cc. Australopithecus, छोटा सा सिर होता है. You know the size of the brain of the monkey. अगर monkey का सिर देखेंगे छोटा सा. But they had 750 cc. Homo habilis became bigger head. And yesterday I said the mass of the brain and the mass of the body, the index. And this is almost 1100 cc. And they are having 1400 cc. The brain size is increasing in terms of the ratio of the body and the ratio of the brain. So man is having the highest ratio in all the mammals or all the living beings present on the earth's surface. So this is one small picture I gave you in different time periods. If you see, this is 18 million. Approximately this was the time of, you can say, this is the Miocene period. You can say. Miocene. And this is somewhere Pliocene. This is sometimes Pleistocene. And this is Holocene. Holocene means post-glacial period. Pleistocene, Pliocene, Miocene, Pliocene, Pleistocene. So it's all tertiary. Anthropoid was in Eocene. So in Eocene, there was no man. If you see the total age of the earth and the Holocene is only 1 lakh year old. In truly it is 10,000 BP before present. आज से 10,000 साल पहले Holocene शुरू हुआ. So if you see Holocene, the age of the earth is Holocene. The age of the earth is 0.0001%. Holocene is the youngest, the last, very smallest time. मैंने आपको बताया ना, if the age of the
Earth is 24
earth is 24, then the age of the man is 2 seconds. That's why it is 2 seconds. So this is one origin of the man. Now, let me stop. सब चीज़ों को छोड़ दीजिए. Come over to the topic. The physical geography of India. बहुत इधर उधर की बातें होगी. Let me complete my topic first. This is in addition, since I started discussing the geological time scale, I thought I should share it with you because these are the one which neither you have studied and it is required for you. Geography of India. You have two parts in geography. One is the physical, or you can say one is human, and apart from that we have the economic. In physical, we have to study the relief, we have to study the climate, yes, drainage, vegetation, soil, etc. While discussing the relief, you have the first order landform, we'll discuss the second order landform. The mountains, we'll discuss plateau. We'll discuss plains of Himalayas. While discussing the mountains, there are the two types of mountains. One are the young fold mountains, and another is the relict mountains. Relict will discuss under plateau because they are converted into plateau. Because Aravalli was the taller mountain than Himalayas one time, but now it is almost a flat topped, weathered and mountain. So it looks like a plateau. So we cover it under plateau. So in young fold mountain we have the two systems. We have the Himalayan system, Himalayas, and we have the Purvanchal. We have the two young fold mountains. Now come over to the Himalayan system. Let's come over to the Himalayan system. It's a young fold mountain, which is the outcome of the two continental plates. I said continental plates are lighter than the oceanic plates. So when the two continental plates comes to closure, they make the fold. If it is the one oceanic plate is there, oceanic plate goes down, make the deep and trench, and equal mass, how much is the mass is going down to the interior of the earth, equal mass is coming out in the form of volcanoes. So always volcano found where the oceanic plate is subsiding towards the continental plate. So all ring of fire, Pacific plate is expanding, and it is volcanoes are erupting on the margin of the Pacific plate. So that is called ring of fire. Himalayan system, there is, this is the Indian Gondwana plate, this is the Tibetan plate. I would say this is the shallow sea. You can say Tethys, and this is the Gondwana plate. You can say Indian plate, and this is Tibetan plate, which is the part of Eurasian plate. So as I told you earlier, it is in Pangaea. Australian plate moved eastward, Indian plate moved like this northeastward. This is the Shallow Sea, this is the Tethys Sea. In the Tethys Sea, when this plate moved, the movement speed is almost 1 centimeter per 7 years. So movement is it is moving at the speed of 1 centimeter per decade, per 7 years, but sometimes we used to say per decade broadly. So it is moving in which direction? It is moving in northeast direction. थोड़े दिन के बाद क्या होगा? ये ऐसे, फिर ये ऐसे, ये ऐसे. So it is moving this side, this is moving this side. It collided here. When it collided here, यहाँ तक तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. Before that, this is the Tibetan plateau. It's elevated landmass. Rivers were draining here, and they were depositing the debris here in the Shallow Sea. Once the debris gets solidified or lithified, it formed a rock. those rocks are known as argillaceous rocks. There are two type of rocks, rudaceous rocks and argillaceous rocks. Argillaceous rocks, सी में कुछ जमा होता रहेगा, it will convert into a lithification and it will convert into a hard rock, that is called argillaceous. Argillaceous rocks are full of chemical compounds, calcium, magnesium, gypsum, because organic material is dissolved in water and subsided with the rocks. So that's why Himalayan system have more chemical properties. Himalayan system have more karst features. So this is coming closer. This landmass is shifting here. It is coming closer. थोड़े दिन के बाद ये यहाँ आ गया, फिर ये यहाँ आ गया, फिर ये यहाँ आ गया, फिर it pushed, it formed like this because it is bigger plate. ये कहाँ जाएगा? इसको तो सरका नहीं सकता. It cannot be shifted Tibetan plate. This plate started uplifting. In the first upliftment, like Eocene period. Eocene period, first upliftment was like this. Then further it keep coming here. What happened? What uplifted? The sediments which were deposited here by the rivers. The sediments which were transported from the Tibetan plateau, they were deposited in the Taches Sea. All sediments were uplifted. And further upliftment, then it further uplifted. Second एक range और बन गई. Then it keep uplifting. It further uplifted. It also uplifted, and it also uplifted. So it is like 1, 2, 3. So Eocene was like this. Miocene was having 2 branches, and Pliocene has had 3 branches. So it keep coming.